Number 6, we need to solve and show our work. A hiker went from an elevation of negative 36 feet to 75 feet. How much did his elevation change? So we're starting way down here at negative 36, and we're going to go to 75. So we're going up, okay? Notice from negative 36 to 75, we are going to pass 0. So from here to here, we went up 36. From here to here, we're going up 75. So how much total did we go up? Whatever that plus that is. For number 7, we have what we call like terms. We have two terms that both have the letter y. They both have a variable y. So these can be combined. So we need to do 1.3 plus 43.2. Make sure you line up your decimal and you add these correctly. When you get that answer, just add the y to the end of it. You can combine them because they both have a single y. For number 8, the 7th grade class is going to the zoo. An admission ticket costs $23. And that is 2 show passes and a $7 lunch ticket. So 2 show passes and $7 for lunch. How much does a show pass cost? So as I was reading that, I wrote an equation. $23 is the total amount that they had to spend to get in here. It includes 2 show passes, so I wrote 2S, and a $7 lunch ticket. You're getting 1 lunch, so we don't need a variable on the 7. This is a 2-step problem. First, get rid of this integer, so you're going to subtract 7 from both sides of this equal sign, and then finally you're going to divide by 2 after you do the minus 7. And that'll tell you how much a show pass equals. S equals how much money. Number 9, write an equation and then solve. Notice we have a straight angle here. If you remember when we talked about angles, that equals 180. So whatever this angle is, plus this angle equals 180. So we're going to write 5x plus 45 plus 4x equals 180. Well, I have, like we did on number 7, we've got some like terms here. So it says 9x plus 45 equals 180. And now this one looks like number 8. We've got a 2-step algebra problem. Subtract 45 from both sides. Cross off your 45s. You're going to get 9x equals something. You have one final step to divide both sides by 9 because this is multiplication. We need to do the inverse of multiplication. For number 10, it takes 1/4 of an hour to sew on 5 buttons. So 1/4 hour to do 5 buttons. How long will it take to do 1 button? A couple things we could do. I could change 1/4 of an hour. Let's change 1/4 of an hour. Let's change it to minutes. What is 1/4 of an hour? Well, if we start a clock, we go all the way around. Here's 12, here's 6, 3, 9. Well, every 4th is 15 minutes. So let's go 15 minutes. I think that's going to be easier. From here to here, we divide by 5. Or we multiply by 0.2. So let's do the same thing here. Let's divide by 5 and tell me how many minutes it takes for each button.